Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the RSI Histogram Indicator for MT4. This variation of the classic relative strength index displays RSI values as histogram bars instead of a line, making momentum shifts and overbought or oversold conditions easier to see visually. In this video, you will see how the histogram is constructed, how signals are interpreted, and which trading applications are described. The RSI Histogram Indicator is a variation of the classic relative strength index that provides a visual representation of RSI values in the form of a histogram. It is designed to help traders identify potential trend reversals and market momentum shifts by measuring the strength of price action in a format that is easier to read at a glance than a traditional RSI line. By analyzing the RSI histogram, traders can gain valuable insights into market conditions and make more informed trading decisions. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm about to allow DLL imports, and just like that, we've installed the indicator on the chart, and it's quite easy to interpret. On the MT4 chart, the RSI histogram appears in a separate window as vertical bars that represent RSI values, typically with color coding to distinguish between bullish and bearish momentum. Bars extending upward above the center line or threshold indicate bullish momentum, while bars extending downward or below key levels show bearish conditions. The histogram format makes it easier to spot divergences between price and RSI, where the histogram makes higher lows while price makes lower lows for bullish divergence, or lower highs while price makes higher highs for bearish divergence. As for the settings, let's take a look. The RSI histogram can be used across various time frames, as you can see, making it suitable for scalping, day trading, and swing trading strategies. Traders can typically adjust RSI calculation period, overbought and oversold threshold levels, and histogram color schemes to match their analysis preferences. As you can see, you can select your colors over here. The indicator provides a visual representation that simplifies reading RSI values and divergence patterns. As for who is for, the RSI histogram indicator is aimed at traders who want an easier to read version of the classic RSI that highlights momentum shifts and divergences more clearly. It is easy to use and accessible to traders of all experience levels, providing visual representation that makes potential trend reversals and market momentum shifts more apparent. However, the RSI histogram can produce lagging signals, especially in fast-moving markets, can generate false signals in choppy or sideways conditions, and should not be used in isolation but rather as one tool among many for analyzing the forex market. You can download the RSI Histogram Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how the histogram format can make RSI analysis more visual and divergence patterns easier to spot. If you like visual momentum tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator content.